Hi all, welcome to our channel Mom and Me Bombs. Today we are going to show you how to make butter garlic naan, and it doesn't have any yeast and it's made on the tawa. I think you can try it. It's easy to make and it's really soft. These are the ingredients I used. You can make about 10 naans from this amount I am making. See, 2 cups of purpose flour. I am just telling you in detail. 3 by 4 teaspoon of salt, 1 by 4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix this well. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil you want. 1 by 4 cup of curd. Also yogurt can be used. Curd or yogurt. Then mix this well. Take time to mix it or else you won't get a soft naan. Now add half cup of water. I used half cup. You can add more if you want. Be careful not to add more water. Then knead the dough like this. Take 5 minutes at least to do it. Here is where you can make it soft by doing this. Tuck the kneaded dough. This is for getting the ingredients all mixed well. Now take 1 teaspoon of oil and smear it on it like this. See, it will be soft like this. Keep this aside for 2 hours. You should keep it closed. Now keep that aside and take 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and little coriander leaves and mix this properly. This is for brushing on the naan. Keep that aside. See, after 2 hours our kneaded dough will look like this. It's really soft. Now take the kneaded dough and roll it into balls like the way I'm doing here. Take little dust and we have to roll it using a chapati roller. Roll it slightly and it should be in an oval shape. We all know that naan is an oval shape. That's why we are doing it like this. See, it should be thin like this. Then remove the dust from the top part of it and on that smear water. A little bit of water is needed. Then stick it on the hot tawa like the way I'm doing here and press it. See, it will start becoming fluffy the way you can see here. After that, take it off from there and hold the tawa upside down and show it on the fire. See, our butter garlic naan is getting ready. Now take it off from the tawa and put it on a plate. See, the other side will look like this. On the top part, brush it with the butter, coriander, garlic mixture using a brush and make sure that you're brushing it when it's hot. It should be done when it's hot. See, like this. It's looking really tasty, right? Butter garlic naan. Serve it hot. Thank you all for watching and please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press on the notification bell. Thank you all.